What is up, everyone? Jacob Douglas here, and today we're at Functional Fitness, and we're just gonna get a quick chest day. And so, basically, one of my favorite chest exercises to build the upper chest is a heavy dumbbell press, and I usually do like 3 sets of these to failure, and it's really built my chest and all. So, let's get to it. I like to keep my elbows tucked like this too. So moving on to the next exercise I like to do, bench press. It really helps me push my competitors off me or something. Like in wrestling, I feel like it just builds that good pushing strength and also the free weights and stuff. And I'm going more athletic based, not really bodybuilding based, but more on athletic strength kind of base. So let's get to it. Make sure you arch your back too. So, guys, as I wait for my next set, one thing that I like to do is when I'm bench pressing, when I bring it down, I kind of like to breathe in my nose, and then when I lift it back up, I like to just breathe out of my mouth, so to kind of add an extra layer to chest and stuff. Like what I mean by extra layers, like an extra exercise and stuff. I did this a lot during wrestling and track when I was studying a bunch of Michael Jordan and stuff. And these basically just kind of help your stretch, I guess. I don't really know, but it just helped me out. So let's get to it. I feel like these also build the line. Because ever since I started doing these, my line is become more defined. As I wait on my next set, I just want to share a little with you what keeps me motivated in the gym. I like to think of Alexander the Great's legacy, everything he conquered at the age of 32. He practically conquered the whole known world. And it's man, that was through discipline and just all the stuff he learned and being around people and stuff. And that's what I'm trying to apply to my life, that discipline that he had. So I want to show up every day and put in the best performance I can to hopefully become the greatest athlete that I can become. And that's just something that kind of keeps me motivated. So, guys, one thing that I like to do for triceps that's built my triceps pretty well for me, for strength and athleticism and stuff like that. And it's basically these V bar. So, what you want to do is you want to put it at a good weight. And then you're gonna bring it down and just, I like to also do like 3 sets of these. Nice, controlled. And I like to go until failure on these. Just get nice, slow reps in. So guys, moving on to shoulders now. So for these, it's like the same thing with bench press for me. It just helped me like be able to push more, get like more shoulder strength for sports and stuff. So let's get to it. What I like to do is I like to go nice controlled on these. So like nice, slow down, then up. And I also like to do like 3 sets of these. Well guys, the microphone is not working anymore. It kind of accidentally broke because the phone fell. But anyways, now we're gonna do shoulders. It's just like get a good stretch in, make sure it's waistline, and basically it's just gonna help build those rear delts. I like to go like nice and slow and easy on these. I like to do like 3 reps of these, well, 3 sets of these too. This is my favorite chest exercise. It's dips. It really helped me build the chest and a lot of strength for wrestling too. And once you get really good at these and the body weight controlling them and stuff, they're great. They're a great exercise. They especially built my triceps more than the tricep pull down. So let's get to it. Just nice, easy, controlled. You'll really feel it in your chest. That's what you want. Well guys, thank you for watching. So that's mostly what I do for chest, shoulders, and triceps to be more athletic and stuff. And yet again, I was a varsity wrestler and track runner. So basically on the dips, I like to do 50. That's what really helped me build the chest. I used to do 100, but now I kind of do 50 because I've been seeing more progress doing 50. But anyways, after my workout, I like to finish off with a run, and also some core work, but I'll make that for another video. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in and hope you enjoy.